So,
It was don't go close, not don't go near.
daming sinasabi. Baka. Okay. Ito yung second namin napuntahan. Ang ganda.
Look at the ground.
Yes. Look at the grounds kasi may tain ng baka at kabayo. So guys, tingnan nyo. Show you the. Kanina nung kami, gondola, ganyan din yung pumunta kami sa top, pero hindi dyan sa na yan, bundok sa iba. Mas mataas pa dyan, pinakang tok-tok nagpunta kami. Tapos ito, ibang, naman. Really. Ito kasama ko, pupunta daw sa Moo. Sige, hayaan mo. Sige, lumapit ka dyan. Sige, punta ka dyan. Sige, punta ka sa baka nang suwagin ka. Go, go, go. Yeah. Pupunta daw sa baka. Masod ka. Bahala ka dyan, Thomas. Let's walk. Ang ganda nung, ang layo. Pero ang layo nitong lugar na to. So, itong kasama ko. Pupunta ka. Oh, look at the guy. Wow! Wow. Wow, wow. All I can say is wow, 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 this is life. Boyfriend wants to see the cow and the horse. So, go near the horse.
You come with me.
No,
We will die together.
no, you die alone. So, here's the view, guys.
That's all.
No, I will go for you. Go for you. English ako ng English. Sabihin ng mga viewers ko, English ako ng English. Mali-mali naman yung grammar ko.
Look at the ground.
Oh, may tain ng to? Baka. We can't go near.
We should not go near.
Also, tignan nyo. Ipipilit niya na lumapit doon sa baka. Pag ikaw, hinabol ka niyan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, tingnan ko lang. Yeah, sige, go for cow. Go, go. I'm behind.
Yeah. You've got good distance, I see.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ayun yung dyan. Baka. At saka horse. Gustong lapitan. So, I support you. Dito lang ako sa likod. Ba't ako? Sipain pa ako niyan eh. Sipain pa ako ng kabayo at saka habulin kita ng baka. Yan sabi ko sa'yo. Pero grabe yung view talaga, guys. Sobrang ganda. Oh, yan na daw yung cow. At lalapitan pa talaga. This is bahala ka dyan. So, how's the experience for your cows?
I'm so sad because the cows refuse to meet me. And yeah, so nothing.
Yeah. Kasi you cannot go closer because they will yung suwagin ba? Suwagin siya ng baka. Hindi ko alam sa English yun. Like, what is it?
Yeah, take you on their horns.
Yeah, basta yun na yun. Suag ba? So, kaya sabi ko, wag lumapit. And now, tain ng
look, you blogger, or you step into
cows.
cows.
Poop. Poop, 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 poop. Wow.
A lot of cows poops.
I like this. Ang hirap mag-vlog-vlogan kapag Englisado ang kas English. Kapag English! Diyos ko, ang hirap mag-English. Tuwa-tuwa yan kapag ganyan.
What?
Don't what dahil habulin talaga tayo niyan. Sabi ko sa'yo.
What?
Nice.
What? What?
Later again. So guys, nandito na kami sa sasakyan ulit. Yan. But tingnan nyo, yung mga baka andun, hinabol si Thomas. Hinabol si Thomas tong baka, andyan sila. Yan. Oh my god. Pagod. Yan, come mga baka. Yan. Ayan yung baka. Yan. Yun yung. So, that's all. See you in next.
Bye.
Yeah, nagugutom naman daw, so kakain naman kami.
Kaka.
So, what will you eat?
KFC, of course, because I deserve.
Maarte. Slovakia, KFC, and McDonald's and Coke. Tapos, Austria, ang hinahanap, KFC, McDonald's, Coke. Yeah, mabubuhay kami doon. So, bye! Guys.